Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Binance withdrawal not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is check your account status and verification. If you haven't already, ensure that your account is fully verified. Look for any verification pending messages or notices because that is very, very important. The second thing you want to do is review your security settings. So verify all the two-factor authentication like your authenticator app, SMS, email are active and correct. Changes may trigger temporary locks, so keep that in mind. The other thing you want to do is verify the asset balance and minimum, so ensure that you have sufficient funds and they are not in an earn or staking product. Check and respect the minimum withdrawal amount, by the way. Also confirm the network address, so pasted address must be an exact match and network must be identical, so ERC20 to ERC20. Avoid typos, by the way. Then you want to simply go ahead and check for system maintenance, consult the Binance announcement. Schedule maintenance or network congestions can delay or suspend your withdrawals temporarily. So that is a very important step that you need to keep in mind. Also, if that is not the case, you need to simply go ahead and investigate the withdrawal limits. Check if you have exceeded your daily or weekly withdrawal limits. Adjust or request a limit increase if possible. And the final thing you can do is contact their support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.